we meet again. We meet again, boys and girls. It happened. There's another vlog. There's another vlog in town. There's another vlog around town. What the hell is going on? I can't focus. All right, let's start again. Oh, and I didn't buckle up my helmet. What the fuck kind of amateur shit is this? It's okay. I'll try to do it at a more appropriate moment. Go ahead, ma'am. I totally forgot to buckle up my helmet, which is a problem, which is an issue. Everything is wet. I can't, what the hell? I don't know why I can't sync up with the universe, you know what I mean? These people are turning, but why show a turn signal when you can not? Actually, they weren't turning at all. Few things. It's fucking wet, man. I can't fucking get talking today. So yeah, few things. It's fucking wet. It's moist, and actually, what do you call it? My everything is falling apart. You see, like I can't. No, there's no way. There's no way I'll be able to do this with these gloves. Nah. I'd have to remove it. I'd have to remove the gloves. I'm just gonna have to ride with my helmet not buckled up. That's just how it's gonna have to be. That's fine. Let's restart. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's fucking 40 degrees. It's wet. It's Thursday. I actually contemplated for a minute and a half about riding today or not, because it's freaking wet and shitty out, you know what I mean? It's gross. My whole bike is gonna be gross, my jacket is gonna be gross, my pants are gonna be gross, but I actually have to wash all of these things. I have to clean everything anyway, so you know, it's a double-edged sword. And this weekend I'm planning on taking my motorcycle to this like cleaning place, this spa of sorts, because the thing is I can't really wash my bike properly in the winter just because it's, you know, cold. Nobody got time for that. And I'm just gonna pop in over here. Right here. Plenty of room. Not a big deal. Yeah. For some reason, I'm trying to figure out deep down what the issue is, because I can't seem to complete a goddamn sentence. Or is it in my head? I have a couple of annoying things that are bothering me about some email exchanges I had for some family business. It's always the most annoying when it's about a small amount of money, but I'm just trying to ask somebody a simple question and they can't get back to me. Fucking cocksuckers. Holy shit. These folks, can you believe that this is how people drive? They're just like taking their sweet time, and I guess maybe that way it's safer. Yeah, it's definitely safer. Now look at this person. He's pulling out onto the highway. He can't even freaking speed up. Imagine that. That's his reality. So why do I feel, oh, I get it. I'm a little bit hungover. This is what happens. Fucking dumbasses. It was like a fucking little like grandpa and grandma driving 20 miles per hour, holding up the whole line of like 30 cars because New York City is so scary. So scary. Like, look. Like, what the fuck? Like, I don't understand what it is. Like, is it the fear of speed? Is it the speed itself? Like, look, that the two SUVs going 20 miles per hour. Like, what is it that is up your ass that makes you drive like a bitch? What the fuck is it? Fucking bitches. And look at this shit. It's green light and nobody's fucking moving. Okay, enough bitching. Enough moaning. Next 1 minute, 60 seconds, no complaints whatsoever. No complaints. No complaints. Nice. Nice, kid. Scoot on, child boy. Look at this Porsche SUV, bro. The man is like, yo, I don't wanna have to use my suspension, man. Like, it's a Porsche, bro. Fucking move, dumb fuck. What are you fucking doing? Dumb fuck. Dumb fuck is one of my favorite insults because it's like really, really, really strong. You know, it cuts really deep. It cuts really deep. There's so much confusion as to why. I don't know what this person is doing. New Jersey is a crazy place. In New Jersey, they actually don't drive cars, so that's why like people only drive cars when they come out to like the big city, you know what I mean? So this person, this is probably the first time driving in like 6 months. You fucking dildo. Look at him. I mean, he's driving a Honda Odyssey van. He's obviously pooping his pants. All right, I'll talk to him later, and I'll talk to you guys later as well.